In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur a face in CapCut. Whether you're looking to protect someone's privacy, focus attention on a specific part of your video, or simply add a stylish touch to your edits, mastering the blur tool can be incredibly useful. CapCut, a powerful and user-friendly video editing app, makes this process simple and intuitive. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to apply and customize a blur effect to achieve a polished result. Now, if you don't already have the CapCut app, you can download it from your device's app store and follow the steps with me. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Once you're on the main interface, tap the Create New button. This is your starting point for any new project, and it will take you to a menu where you can set up your video. Next, select Blank Canvas. Starting with a blank space gives you complete control over what you add and where. No distractions, no preset content. It's a clean slate for your creativity. From here, you can either choose a template sample or upload your own footage. If you're practicing, I recommend picking a video with a clear face or object. This will make it easier to see the blur effect in action and ensure you're getting the results you want. Once your canvas is ready, tap the Effects button, which you'll find on the bottom menu bar. This is where the magic happens to save time. Type blur into the search box. CapCut will filter through its list of effects and show you only the blur-related options. This way you don't have to scroll endlessly to find the right effect. Now, select a targeted blur effect from the options, such as Face Blur. Targeted effects are incredibly helpful because they allow you to blur specific areas, like a face or an object, without affecting the entire video. This gives you more precision and flexibility in your edit. Tap on the blur effect you've chosen to preview it. One of the great things about CapCut is that it lets you test effects without making permanent changes to your video. So if the first blur effect doesn't look quite right, you can always try another. Next, adjust the size and intensity of the blur using the on-screen sliders. These controls let you fine-tune the effect so it fully covers the face or area you want to hide. Take your time here. Getting the blur just right ensures your edit looks professional. Once the blur size and intensity are set, reposition the effect by dragging it to align with the face or object you want to obscure. Precision is key here. You want to make sure the blur only covers the intended area and doesn't spill over into other parts of your video. Now, play back your video to confirm that the blur tracks well with the face or object as it moves. If it looks off or doesn't stay aligned, go back and tweak the settings or reposition the blur until it's just right. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. This step is all about refining the effect. And finally, once you're satisfied with how the blur looks and performs, save your edited video. This will export your project with all the changes applied, ready to share or use however you like. And that's how you blur a face in CapCut. You've now learned how to start a project, apply a blur effect, and customize it for a polished result. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.